Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends. Welcome to Let's Crack the Interviews channel, and today let's talk about Wipro Elite National Talent Hunt. In short, it's called NTH. Wipro NTH is a great opportunity from Wipro Limited, and let's look into the selection process, eligibility, registration details, and the dates, and so on. What's Wipro? I know Wipro is a globally renowned IT giant. It's a software development, consulting, and systems integrator, and established in the year 1945 by Mohammad Premji. And today, Ajim Premji has taken over in the year 1981 when his father passed away, and his son Rishabh Premji is the chairman now. Ajim Premji is working and assisting him as a consultant. And Wipro is a $9 billion company. It has 2 lakh employees and spread across over 100 countries, and it's one of the most successful and ever growing one of the IT giants software development company. And it's an equal opportunity employer, and it's a great corporation, great place to work, and therefore Wipro conducts for the past 2 years they have been conducting NTH. What's NTH? National Talent Hunt, to attract the best talent across India, like to provide opportunity for the talent available across the country. In fact, it's can be applied by the people outside the country as well. Wipro is an equal opportunity employer, so they provide equal opportunity to anyone, male, female, nationality, gender, cuisine, cultures, across various diversity ranges. It's an equal opportunity employer for all the for and it's this we are particularly talking about NTH. We are talking about 2022 batch, which is coming into job market next year, right? So this exam registration opened on 23rd August. Okay, just opened, and and it closes on 15th September 2021. Okay, it's open, just open this month in the month of August on 23rd, and closes on 15th September 2021. What's the eligibility criteria? It requires, yes, it eligibility criteria is 10th plus 2 or intermediate need to be passed in with 60% marks, and graduation 65% or 6.5 CGPA. With one backlog is allowed. Wipro allows one backlog in NTH National Talent Hunt. Instead of coming to off campus, on campus, full campus drives, this online web enabled proctored online test called NTH National Talent Hunt is a great opportunity for youngsters to apply and take an opportunity to be associated with a global giant like Wipro. So please take care and prepare well, and I'm sure you can be successful. So the graduation 65% with one backlog is allowed. Okay, and that backlog should be cleared when you are onboarding and when you're joining the organization, and when backlog allowed at the time of assessment. For eligible, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, or 5-year integrated courses are allowed. All engineering branches are allowed, are eligible to apply for National Talent Hunt, except textile, food technology, agriculture, and fashion technology branches. Be a BTech in textile, food technology, agriculture, and fashion technology branches. Remaining people are most welcome to take the opportunity and participate in the NTH. The compensation, C&B compensation, salary, C2 cost to company, CTC, is 3.5 lakhs per annum. is being offered. Gross salary is 3.5 lakhs per annum for all the incumbents, for all the selected candidates. Wipro has big plans. They'd like to hire 25 to 30,000 people in the coming 1 year. So there's a great opportunity here waiting. Service agreement is 12 months needed. Yeah, 12 service agreement is available, and 12 months you need to sign the SA agreement or a bond, and you need to honor that. And a company like Wipro should be able to work for minimum 3 to 4 years and form a great career and acquire learning opportunities and grow. And and service agreement is 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 available because they expect the 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 trainees, the young software engineers, to work for minimum of 12 months, because they provide training, they incur cost for training, and they give a lot of learning opportunities and projects, and probably the HR would have taken pains to online or offline, visiting campuses and hiring people. Hiring is a very expensive proposition. It involves a lot of money, right? So service agreement is 12 months, 1 year needed, and failing which, if you don't serve for 12 months, you need to compensate 75,000 rupees to the company, and then you may request for exit. 10th and 12th class minimum 50% or more is required, told you. Graduation with 65% or 6.5 CGPA, equivalent thereof. One backlog allowed at the time of assessment, and that backlog need to be cleared while you are joining or onboarding. Only full-time course students are allowed for National Talent Hunt. Students who are pursuing their graduation program through part-time correspondence and courses are not allowed, please. So only full-time course students are allowed for NTH, National Talent Hunt. Year of passing is only 2022 pass out students eligible, isn't it? This opportunity they are providing for 2022, that is 2022. The students coming out of into the corporate market, employment market, job market next year. Yeah? Designation is project engineer. Salary 3.5 lakhs per annum. INR is Indian rupees per annum. And career, yes, Wipro is a great global giant. Though it's an Indian company, we're really proud of TCS, Infosys, Wipro, especially these three are the big three organizations, they're biggies. And they provide tremendous growth opportunities, career progression, learning opportunities. Growth opportunity provided for the right performance. Isn't it? You're a star or meritorious performer, sky's the limit, and you grow up in the career ladder. Isn't it? That's how organizations respect the people who bring value to the table through their good performance. Part-time corresponding students are pleased. Every candidate has to go through the online assessment. Online assessment is most probably going to happen online during the period of pandemic. A proctored online web-enabled web-based assessment. The total duration of the whole assessment is 128 minutes, 130 minutes rather. Webcam proctored online test has 3 sections. What are the 3 sections in which you are being assessed? Aptitude test, written communication, and online programming test. Aptitude test, you have logical ability, quantitative ability, and verbal ability. The total duration of the aptitude test is 48 minutes. Right? Then go for written communication test. In written communication test, you will be assessed based on your written communication by writing an essay. Through an essay, they provide a topic, and you are supposed to write an essay in 150 to 200 words, a small short essay, and with your perspectives, ideas, and problem-solving skills, and to demonstrate your knowledge on the subject as well as your written communication and articulation. One essay writing for 20 minutes. 20 minutes the duration, definitely adequate for 150 200 words. It's a good time. Definitely, it's sufficient. Then online programming test. You're supposed to write 2 programs. You have to write 2 programs for coding in 60 minutes duration. The time is 60 minutes. So it's also a sufficient time is being given for 2 programs. The programs can be written in any language you are comfortable with, C, C++, Java, or Python. Candidate can choose any language. Last day to apply For this Wipro Elite National Talent Hunt is 15th September. We have time, friends, but earlier the better. Please try to apply quickly in the coming 2-3 days. So last date to apply is 15th September 2021. Yeah. Online assessment test dates are 20th September to 27th September. So last date is 15th September, and then online assessment takes place in 6 to 7 days, a week's time, starting from 20th September 2021 to 27th September 2021. Yes, it's a national level test and it has to cover probably thousands or lakhs of students. It's a wonderful opportunity. Therefore, they take that 1 week's time. Next, after online assessment, online test, we have a business discussion round. Business discussion round is nothing but an interview, which consists of an online interview, both and technical as well as educational. Okay. This table talks about the vital information like your qualification, branch of study. All branches are accepted, but kindly these students of these four branches kindly excuse yourselves. Who are they? What is the exceptions are fashion technology, textile engineering, agriculture, and food technology students are not eligible for the moment. For this NTH 2022. 2022 pass out students only need to apply. 2021, the current year pass out students are not eligible to apply. One backlog is allowed, and you need to clear it. And it's very important that you need to have a good sound knowledge in your subject area. In 10th and 12th, 60%, graduation 65% is the basic requirement as far as the academic concern required. Other vital details are the aptitude test. It consists of online assessment consists of 3 parts: aptitude test, written communication test, online programming test. Aptitude test consists of logical reasoning, verbal ability, and quantitative aptitude. So your problem solving skills, your logic and your analogy, logical aptitudinal skills, reasoning skills, and your basic English, verbal ability, antonyms, synonyms, fill the blanks, active voice, passive voice, sentence correction. A lot of very simple verbal ability questions will be there. The written communication test, essay writing, one essay to be written in 20 minutes using 150 to 200 words, which is simple. You can do it. Of course, please practice. Online programming, you need to try 2 programs, and you can be coded in any language which you are comfortable with. C, C++, Java, Python, or your choice. You have 60 minutes, 1 hour time for that. Please don't miss. It's a great opportunity for fresh graduates of 2022, not to be missed. Not to be missed opportunity to be associated with a great global IT giant, Wipro Limited. Isn't it? Registration opens on 23rd August and closes on 15th September 2021. And online assessment takes place for a week's time, starting from 20th to 27th September 2021. Further queries, if you have any queries, kindly put in the comment box, try to address them. And Wipro said, NTH organizers have said that you can write to manager.campus@wipro.com with the subject title in your email, Elite NTH 2022, with all your questions, queries, seeking details. You can definitely write a mail to them. But subject, don't leave it blank. In the subject, you have to write Elite NTH 2022. And same will be responded within 3 working days. They are definitely professional enough in responding. Wipro is a great professional organization, and they will definitely respond within 3 working days to solve your queries, answer your questions. Okay. Godspeed success. Best of luck. Prepare well. And registration is open. Click the registration link given there. I am providing the registration link in the description column. Click it. Start applying and fill all the required information. Upload your resume in PDF form and then get ready. Get the resume in PDF form and then your photograph and your resume, and then the required information, you fill it up and get it. Thank you, friends. Wish you Godspeed success. Thank you. All the best.